In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ServiceTitan integration to QuickBooks Online. To get started, make sure you're already signed in to your QuickBooks Online account so you can follow along without interruptions. This is a very quick process, and once you know where to look, it's easy to connect the integration and move into the setup stage. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen and click on Integrations. This section is where QuickBooks lets you discover and manage apps and tools that can connect with your account. If you don't immediately notice it, just take a moment to scan the upper right menu carefully, since layout variations can happen depending on your account view. After opening that area, select Explore Integrations. This will take you to the Marketplace section where you can browse available apps that work with QuickBooks Online. Think of this page as the main hub for finding tools that extend what QuickBooks can do, including platforms like ServiceTitan. Once you're on the Integrations page, use the search feature and type in ServiceTitan. This will help you quickly pull up the correct integration page instead of scrolling through other available apps. When the results appear, choose ServiceTitan so you can open its dedicated page and review the connection option. On the ServiceTitan integration page, go to the top right and click Get App Now. This is the button that starts the process of adding the app to your QuickBooks Online account. After clicking it, QuickBooks will guide you into the connection and setup flow. From there, continue with the setup process it provides so the integration can sync properly. As you move through that setup, pay close attention to any prompts, permissions, or syncing options shown on screen. These steps are important because they help QuickBooks and ServiceTitan communicate correctly. If the setup asks you to confirm details or connection preferences, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the integration successfully. And that's it. Once you've clicked Get App Now and followed the setup process, you'll be on your way to having ServiceTitan connected to QuickBooks Online. This is a simple but useful integration if you want your systems to work together more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.